Java interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. This is a structured set of commonly asked Java interview questions with clear answers. It covers Java fundamentals, OOP concepts, collections framework, exception handling, multithreading, JVM internals, performance concepts, real-world backend topics. This is widely used for backend and enterprise Java interviews. 1 to 20. Java Basics. 1. What is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented, platform-independent programming language used for backend, enterprise, and Android development. 2. Why is Java platform-independent? Because of the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java code means bytecode, means runs on any JVM. 3. What are features of Java? Check object-oriented, platform-independent, secure, robust, multi-threaded. 4. What is JVM? Java Virtual Machine executes bytecode. 5. What is JDK and JRE? JDK means development kit, and JRE means runtime environment. 6. What is bytecode? Intermediate code generated by Java compiler. 7. What is main method? Public static void main, string args, entry point of Java program. 8. What are data types? Primitive, int, float, double, char, boolean. 9. Difference between primitive and object types? Primitive means stored directly. Object means stored in heap. 10. What is wrapper class? Object representation of primitive types. 11:30. OOP concepts. 11. What is OOP? Object-oriented programming based on objects and classes. 12. What is class? Blueprint of an object. 13. What is object? Instance of a class. 14. What is encapsulation? Wrapping data and methods together. 15. What is abstraction? Hiding implementation details. 16. What is inheritance? One class acquires properties of another. 17. What is polymorphism? One method, multiple behaviors. 18. Types of polymorphism: compile time, overloading, runtime, overriding. 19. What is method overloading? Same method name, different parameters. 20. What is method overriding? Child class modifies parent method. 21. What is constructor? Special method to initialize object. 22. Types of constructors: default, parameterized. 23. What is this keyword? Refers to current object. 24. What is super keyword? Refers to parent class.
25. What is interface?
Blueprint of class with abstract methods. 26. Abstract class versus interface. Abstract means partial implementation, interface means full abstraction, mostly. 27. Can Java support multiple inheritance? Not with classes, but possible with interfaces.
28.
What is final keyword? Variable means constant, method means cannot override, class means cannot extend. 29. What is static keyword? Belongs to class, not object. 30. What is access modifier? Private, default, protected, public. 31 to 50. Collections framework. 31. What is collections framework? Set of classes and interfaces for data structures. 32. List interface. Ordered collection allowing duplicates. 33. Set interface. No duplicates allowed. 34. Map interface. Key value pairs.
35. Array list versus linked list.
Array list means fast access. Linked list means fast insert delete. 36. Hash map versus hash table. Hash map means not synchronized. Hash table means synchronized. 37. What is hash map? Key value structure using hashing. 38. How hash map works internally. Uses array plus linked list / tree, Java 8+. 39. What is tree map? Sorted key value map. 40. What is set implementation? Hash set, linked hash set, tree set. 41. What is iterator? Used to traverse collections. 42. Fail fast versus fail safe. Fail fast means throws exception. Fail safe means safe iteration. 43. What is comparable? Defines natural ordering. 44. What is comparator? Custom sorting logic. 45. Difference between array and array list. Array means fixed size. Array list means dynamic. 46. What is queue? FIFO structure. 47. What is dig? Double-ended queue. 48. What is stack? LIFO structure. 49. What is priority queue? Elements ordered by priority. 50. What is immutability? Object cannot be changed after creation. 51 to 70. Exception handling and multithreading. 51. What is exception? Runtime error. 52. Types of exceptions? Checked, unchecked. 53. What is try-catch? Used to handle exceptions. 54. What is finally block? Always executed block. 55. What is throw? Used to explicitly throw exception. 56. What is throws? Declares exception in method signature. 57. What is custom exception? User-defined exception class. 58. What is multithreading? Multiple threads running simultaneously. 59. Thread versus process. Process means independent program. Thread means lightweight subprocess. 60. How to create thread? Extend thread class. Implement runnable. 61. What is synchronization? Prevents race conditions. 62. What is deadlock? Two threads waiting forever. 63. What is volatile keyword? Ensures visibility of variable changes. 64. What is executor framework? Manages thread pools. 65. What is callable versus runnable? Runnable means no return. Callable means returns result. 66. What is thread pool? Reused set of threads. 67. What is concurrency? Multiple tasks running in overlapping time. 68. What is context switching? Switching between threads. 69. What is race condition? Multiple threads accessing shared data incorrectly. 70. What is thread safety? Code safe in multi-threaded environment. 71 to 90. JVM internals. 71. What is JVM architecture? Class loader, memory area, execution engine. 72. What is class loader? Loads class into JVM. 73. Memory areas in JVM? Heap, stack, method area, PC register. 74. What is heap memory? Stores objects. 75. What is stack memory? Stores method calls. 76. What is garbage collection? Removes unused objects. 77. Types of garbage collectors. G1, serial, parallel. 78. What is finalize? Called before garbage collection. 79. What is JIT compiler? Converts bytecode to machine code. 80. Why Java is fast? Due to JIT compilation. 81. What is memory leak in Java? Objects not released due to references. 82. What is string pool? Memory optimization for strings. 83. String versus string builder. String means immutable. String builder means mutable. 84. String builder versus string buffer. String buffer means thread safe. String builder means faster. 85. What is serialization? Converting object to byte stream. 86. What is deserialization? Byte stream back to object. 87. What is transient keyword? Prevents serialization of variable. 88. What is reflection? Inspect classes at runtime. 89. What is annotation? Metadata for code. 90. What is dependency injection? Inject dependencies instead of creating them. 91 to 100. Advanced Java 91. What is Spring Framework? Popular Java Backend Framework. 92. What is Spring Boot? Simplifies Spring development. 93. What is REST API? Web Service Architecture. 94. What is microservices? Small Independent Services. 95. What is ORM? Object Relational Mapping. 96. What is Hibernate? Java ORM Framework. 97. What is caching? Storing frequently used data. 98. What is API Gateway? Entry point for microservices. 99. What is scalability? Ability to handle load increase. 100. How to optimize Java performance. Hashtag, use efficient collections, reduce object creation, use caching, optimize queries, use thread pools. Final summary. Java interviews focus on OOP concepts, collections framework, multithreading, JVM internals, backend systems. Key idea. Strong Java developers understand both language fundamentals and JVM internals.